Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add a dress on Temu. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! To add your address on Temu, you can start by logging into your Temu account on the app or website and then head to your account setting where you can find the shipping or address section. So here's first, you can open your Temu apps on your mobile phone or maybe you can open it on the website. After that, you can see there is an option U. You can go to the U section, your profile, and you can see in here there's an option like history, addresses, and following. You can tap on addresses because we want to add address. Now add a new address. You can enter your first name, and your last name. You can search by address, street name, or house number. But if you can't find the address, you can enter it manually in here. Now you can add your apartment, unit, building, floor, room, etc. But it's optional. You can enter your city. For the example, this one. The zip code, and you can enter your phone number. You can agree to receive special, even exclusive discount and anything. After that, after you finish to fill the box in here, the address, you can just save it. You can just save it, and that's it. Because I don't have the phone number, I will just skip this step. But if you have the phone number, your phone number in, you can put in here and agree and save it, and that's finished. So that is how to add address on Temu. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.